Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Cisco, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in Cisco, start by researching the company's financial health. Visit Cisco's official website for the latest financial reports. Check their revenue trends, profit margins, and debt levels. Read analysts' reports to understand market sentiment. Next, set up a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a broker that offers low fees and a user-friendly platform. Complete the necessary identity verification processes required by your broker. Once your account is set up, fund it with your desired investment amount. Determine how many shares of Cisco you wish to purchase. Review Cisco's current stock price and market trends on your brokerage platform. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price. Alternatively, consider a limit order to buy shares at a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on market movements. Review quarterly earnings reports and forecasts to make informed decisions. Consider setting a price target for selling your shares in the future. Remain patient and stick to your long-term investment strategy. Always stay informed about market news and Cisco's new developments. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on performance and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.